Hey ISEC, my name's Brody and I'm speaking to you here from the ISEC International Office here in Rotterdam. Just wanted to send out greetings for the new year to start 2006 off on the right note. 2005 has been an incredible year for ISEC globally. We reached the highest exchange numbers we've reached in recent history, the highest membership numbers in recent history. We've created a new identity reflective of the current ambition and the current state of the organization. And we set a vision for the year 2010 about how we want to see ISEC looking in 2010. Now 2006 will be an incredibly crucial year for our progress towards this vision. I was at the gym the other day and it was just after New Year's and there was a whole bunch of people in the gym. The gym is absolutely packed. And you could tell that it was a time for New Year's resolutions. I'm sure you and myself have set New Year's resolutions about things we want to change in ourselves, things we want to improve. And so there are all these people in the gym, and you could tell that they were so enthusiastic. They were on the treadmill, and they were running like crazy, and they were just trying to take those first steps towards this new image that they had created of themselves. The first step in the pursuit towards any vision is a step of passion. These people were so passionate about their vision, and they were so enthusiastic about it. Now, as we take these first steps in 2006 towards ISEC 2010, they'll have to be steps of passion. We've created an image of ISEC in the future that has so many different facets, and all of us may not be incredibly passionate about every single one of them. But I guarantee that all of us are incredibly passionate about one or two. I'm sure there are images in that vision that just connect so deeply to what we care about, to the way we see ISEC, the way we see this organization, the beliefs that we have about how ISEC can be. Now, as we take these first steps in 2006, each of us around the world will have to connect with what are we passionate about in ISEC 2010. What are we willing to give ourselves for? What are we willing to strive, to sacrifice for towards this vision? The first step will be a step of passion. Now, we went back on Wednesday, and the gym wasn't quite so full. You could tell that people had just been, running like crazy on the Monday, and woke up Tuesday morning kind of struggling to get out of bed. Their muscles were aching and sore, and their back hurts, and they probably were thinking, maybe this isn't for me. And so a lot of them didn't come back on Wednesday. As we make steps towards change, it's always a little bit difficult. It's our bodies, our minds, and the world itself sometimes resists change because change is difficult. But life is change, and that second step requires the discipline. It requires the discipline to get up and maybe let your muscles loosen out a little bit, but come back. Come back to the gym and get back on that treadmill and keep pursuing the vision. As ISEC, we will soon hit that stage. We will soon hit that stage where we're, all of a sudden we're not all the way better. All of a sudden everything isn't perfect. And we may start to doubt. We may start to doubt if that change is really possible, if we can actually progress towards ISEC 2010. Now, incredible organizations and incredible individuals are able to take that second step of discipline. That step where they look the challenge in the face and keep pursuing it. Keep pursuing that vision. In 2006, we'll have to take the second step of discipline. Now, the third step is the step of practice. This is when, after you've got up and you've had that initial passionate pursuit of the vision, and then you've come back and taken the second step of discipline, things start to get a little bit easier. Now, this is when every single moment, every single day needs to be practice, needs to be a pursuit of that vision. This is when we have to take that vision and live it every single day. Just like we're practicing an instrument, or just like we're working out, make every single time we sit down and practice, pretending as if that entire vision was realized in that very moment. In 2006, we will also have to take that step of practice. And we will have to continue practicing and practicing, making every day an expression of ISEC 2010. This is why ISEC 2010 starts with those two words, every day. Because ISEC 2010 is not some vision that we're suddenly going to wake up on January 1st, 2010 and realize is achieved. ISEC 2010 has something that has to be lived by every one of us. Every single time we walk into that local committee office, we have to be seeing how we can practice ISAC 2010 every single day. 2005 has been an incredible year, and 2006 is a year of our first steps towards ISAC 2010. As an organization, as individuals, let's take that first step in passion, let's take that second step in discipline, and let's take that third step in practice. And 2010 will indeed be lived every day. Have an incredible 2006. I'm looking forward to living it with you. Ciao.